All right, I'm back again, continuing the evolving storm that's moving through Southeast Virginia. The winds are really, wow, whoa, they're really blowing hard across the street. The winds have shifted. The rain is coming down stronger. Look at that rain. Okay, you can see the winds blowing pretty good. Whoa, that's some strong winds over there. Very strong wind gusts. See the rain coming in sheets. Let's go out a little bit. See how breezy it is. Whoa, wow. This is the strongest wind gust we've seen. These are the strongest wind gusts. Wow. This is what I was waiting on. You can see the sheets of rain coming. See the sheets of rain coming down the street. It's got much cooler as that downdraft has dragged down some really cooler air from aloft. A little bit of flash of lightning there. You can see the street out there, the sheets of rain just pouring down. Look at the waves of water just on the street over there. Looking at this from live perspective, it looks literally like a hurricane with the amount of rain just pouring like this, and then those winds just blowing the trees around, along with the heavy rain. I mean, look at that. So yes, it's coming down pretty good right now, the rain. Another flash of lightning. There's your wind blowing the trees around still, fairly briskly. I would probably estimate the temperature's probably dropped about 10 degrees or so right now. Probably down to 80. No real flashes of lightning. Not much in the way of lightning with this particular line. A few flashes of lightning and a little bit of thunder, but nothing major. Things should eventually calm down again. The rain and the winds. The initial gust front is pushing through. Nothing damaging. I haven't observed anything damaging as far as the wind gusts. But if you look all around me, you see the trees blowing around. Got a car coming down the street, driving in it. There's a truck coming down. But yeah, this was a pretty good line that came through. Real good line. Another flash of lightning. Another little bit of rumble of thunder. Look how dull gray the sky is. Another flash of lightning. how dull gray the sky is compared to what it was when we first started filming. Things are starting to calm down a little bit with the initial gusts. They're starting to get weaker. The wind's starting to slack off a little bit as the storms head away towards the coast. Another rumble of thunder. All right, it appears that the majority of the strongest winds have now passed to the east. The rain will slowly let up and eventually end. Now we're just in for a rain-cooled air, rain-cooled rain. But other than that, I'm going to wrap things up here at Spot On Weather. I think for the most part now, things are going to start calming down as that line moves off to the east towards the coast and moves offshore here on the evening of June the 20th, 2019. A few more flashes of lightning with a couple rumbles of thunder. All right, that's all I've got. I'll be sharing these videos. You can take a look to see how everything evolves. That wraps it up, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And that is all for now.